the lunch place, I guess. We're having lunch. Wanna sit here? I guess this is where they're gonna feed us.
It's lemonade.
What is this?
Lemonade.
I guess they all set us down here. The bus. Too much, yeah. Just ask for water. Do you have water in there? No, you left it there. Well, just ask for water. So, yeah, they set us here at the table. I don't know what kind of restaurant it is. I'm sure it's part of the deal. So this is what we got. It's rice, mac and cheese, pork ribs, and chicken. So I guess this is another stop here. We will sample some stuff, like conch fritters, and something like that. I don't know. Something similar to that.
Come on, guys. See this one right here? You guys ever heard about the neem oil? This is a neem free.
Yeah.
So now, yes, now guys, if you had a split or whatever, you go back to work and they tell you they want to do a drug test, take some of this. You clear up in a couple of minutes. Old ladies, you've been doing something you shouldn't be doing, you're scared of the consequences or the circumstances behind it, drink some of that. Morning after the night before good. Come on, let's go.
Well, there we go. Good information. But first, they let us into a shop here.
Read it for me.
Blueberry make moisture bath. Something like that. Yeah.
Sorry.
So, this is just another shop. I mean, some blossoms. So we're having a little tea show here, as you can see.
76 years young. So there's also high blood pressure, cholesterol, insomnia, anxiety, the immune system. There's a lot of benefits to it.
Well, they're the conch fritters, guys. They gave us a sample. You want any more? Let's give it a shot. Yeah. A little bit soggy, I would say.